It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Hi, I've been working out in the garden, but I decided to take a break and share my recipe for hibiscus lemonade. To start, I am going to put some water in this little saucepan. It doesn't really matter what size saucepan you use. Then I like to put down some mullein. This is some mullein that I picked around my house. I'm going to take a minute and go and show you what it looks like when it's growing fresh. Alright, just wanted to show you guys. This is a piece of top of an old mullein plant from, oh geez, 2 years ago I think, because it went to seeds. This is a new fresh mullein plant. Let's see how nice and fuzzy it is. It's fuzzy and soft. This is optional in the recipe, and always make sure you know what you're getting when you're wildcrafting or foraging. Some dandelion. Mullein plant right here. Not this. This is something else. Those right there. That's the mullein. They get much bigger than that. I'm going to throw in a few rose hips just because they're full of vitamin C. And here is our hibiscus and some spearmint that I also picked around here. I am going to cover this with a glass lid because I like to see what's going on in there. I put a little bit of cellophane over this air hole to try to keep all of our essential oils in there. We're going to get this stove lit up. I'm going to put this pot on. We're going to bring it to a little bit of a simmer. We don't want it to go up to a boil. And then we're going to wait 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not sure if you can see down in there, but the water has already started to turn pink, which will give our hibiscus lemonade a lovely pink color. Also, I haven't tried it, but I believe that if you had 6 hours to wait, that you could just put this in a jar and make it like a sun tea. Our tisane or herbal tea is done. We want to let this sit and cool for 10 to 15 minutes undisturbed without opening the lid to keep all of the steam inside. Well, it looks like the sun has gone away to hide for a little bit, and we might have to finish this video at a later time. I don't know if you can hear the thunder, but it seems like we're gonna have a storm any minute. We'll take a couple minutes and clean up shop, and maybe we'll end up having time to finish. Here's that storm rolling through, but it'll give us time to let our drink cool. The storm clouds are still here, but the rain stopped, so I'm going to try to hurry up and finish our lemonade. I'm going to get a strainer and a funnel. Take the lid off, pour this in here. It's still a little bit warm, so that is nice, because when I add the sugar, it should melt. Sometimes I squeeze these out. I don't have a spoon handy. That's what I'm going to do next. The sugar. My funnel's a little wet, so it's sticking. This might take a minute. And our lemon juice. Try to rinse all of the sugar down out of the funnel. Before I add water, I'm going to put the lid on this and shake it up. Like a martini? Really? Gonna shake
Shaken,
it?
not stirred.
Not a bar. I don't know. I'm a bartender. Shake it with a smile. I'm just going to add the rest of the water. I'm gonna get a glass and a garnish and some ice, and I'll be right back. I just wanted to show you guys what spearmint looks like when it is growing. This is my patch of spearmint I have come back over here, and the peppermint, all the mints are similar looking. They all have a square stem on them. Beautiful plant. I'm glad to have it growing here. I transplanted this here, but we have wild mint that grows of other varieties. I got some ice and I went and picked some spearmint. Now it's time for the taste test. Put a cute little garnish on there. Beautiful springtime break. We lost the sun, but it's still a nice spring day out here. And delicious, beautiful, and refreshing. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Please give it a try. Subscribe. Hit the notification button. I don't know, whatever. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Here's the bloopers.
Wait, what?
The sun got real bright all of a sudden. I can't hardly see you.
Crazy.
Was I clinking this around when
I don't think so.
Before I add the water. Stop.